Just 2 weeks after Thanksgiving, and with 2 more weeks to go until Christmas, not to mention Hanukkah is about to begin, U.S. health officials are warning that the coronavirus is spreading faster than ever before. For the first time on record, daily cases are averaging over 200,000. In total, more than 15.1 million people in the U.S. have been infected with the virus, and over 286,000 have already died. That is all according to Johns Hopkins University. But there is growing hope in the form of a vaccine. The FDA says Pfizer's vaccine strongly protects against COVID-19. A panel is expected to meet tomorrow to consider the drug manufacturer's application for emergency use. Now, the FDA's positive review came hours after Britain began administering Pfizer's vaccine to some of its senior citizens and healthcare workers. It was the first country to authorize the drug. So Debra Alfarone joins us now from Capitol Hill. Debra, it's one thing to know that a vaccine is right around the corner, but there's a lot of preparation when it comes to the distribution. What do we know about how hospitals are preparing?
Well, right now, Anne-Marie, hospitals are getting ready by training their staff, training them how to administer this vaccine. And some of them, we're hearing, are even practicing by injecting their colleagues and even pieces of fruit with a saline solution.
It will end the pandemic.
President Trump celebrated the rapid development of coronavirus vaccines at the White House yesterday.
We think by spring we're going to be in a position that nobody would have believed possible just a few months ago.
Tomorrow, an independent advisory panel will vote on whether to recommend Pfizer's vaccine be approved by the FDA.
Going like a dart, a 90-degree angle.
Anticipating its approval, hospitals are making last-minute preparations.
975 doses.
For safely handling and giving the vaccines.
Being able to maintain a minus 80-degree temperature. One complicated challenge after another, and this has just been the next one.
Health officials say the vaccine's arrival doesn't mean the pandemic is over.
We have to continue to social distance. We have to continue to wear masks. I know it stinks, it does. Everybody's tired of hearing it.
Faced with rising hospitalizations, states like Washington are extending or adding new restrictions on businesses.
What we do now literally will be a matter of life and death.
President-elect Joe Biden laid out his plan to fight the virus.
Masking, vaccinations, opening schools. These are the 3 key goals for my first 100 days.
Mr. Biden asked Dr. Anthony Fauci to serve as chief medical advisor.
We have got a lot of hard and demanding work to do in the next year.
The president-elect also urged Congress to pass a $908 billion relief bill this month.
All right, Debra, so what are some of the concerns that the Biden administration has, if there isn't additional funding passed by Congress to help with the distribution?
Well, the Biden administration wants to roll out 100 million doses in 100 days. Now, that's going to be a big undertaking, and they actually say that they've looked at the Trump administration's distribution plan, and they think that it's going to stall unless they have some more money from Congress. So what they want to do is make sure that they have that request in with the coronavirus relief package that we've been talking about for days. Mitch McConnell says that he wants to make sure that that is passed before they leave for the holidays. So that is going to be part of that. And really, it is a Herculean task to get these shots in the arms of people in the next 100 days.
Yeah, definitely the case. Debra Alfarone, thank you so much.